Hey, how are you doing, everyone? My name is Jamar at Flow Nissan of Fayetteville. We're going to take a look at the all-new 2022 Pathfinder today and take a look at all the great new features for you. The all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder features bold, rugged, all-new design, 284 horsepower, 3.5 liter direct injection V6, and all-new 9-speed transmission for smooth, direct response. Passion runs deep for the iconic Nissan Pathfinder. Functional 3-notch grille design inspired by first-generation Pathfinder, full LED headlights and tail lights, 18-inch wheel standard, remote engine start, roof rail crossbars. Finally, the satin chrome rear bumper accentuates rugged character. 4-wheel drive with 7-position drive and terrain mode selector. Also has available 6,000-pound maximum tow capacity. Standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 leads to confident driving on and off-road. The all-new interior design includes a new 9-inch touchscreen, advanced connected technology integration with all new available 10.8-inch heads-up display, and 12.3-inch digital dashboard with Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink. New electronic shifter, a new bridge front center console which adds over 13 liters of storage, 0 gravity seats, seating for up to 8 people, new tri-zone automatic temperature control, 16 cup holders, the best in class third row roominess, 60/40 split folding, new Easy Flex one-touch release adds comfort and flexibility for the whole family. 6 total USBs, 2 12-volt DC power outlets, advanced Pro Pilot Assist with full start and stop functions. The all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder comes with standard Safety Shield 360, which includes rear automatic braking, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and high beam assist. Love the legacy that conveys strength and rugged capability while using advanced safety and technology features to keep their family safe and comfortable during everyday adventure. For more information and to schedule a test drive, come see us down at Flow Nissan in Fayetteville or flownissanfayetteville.com.